Welcome to another how-to video. How to add discount code at checkout on Shopify. Hey everyone, today let me show you an easy way on how you can add discount code on your Shopify checkout. First, let's click Discount tab below Marketing. Click Create Discount on the upper right of your screen. It's up to you which type of discount you want to use. Since I'm guiding you here, I will just choose amount of products. You just have to fill up all the forms so that you can create a discount for your product. Like my demo on the screen, I'm just going to type in some text right here. And once done, I will just click on Save on the upper middle of my screen. And there you go. That's how you can add discount code at checkout on Shopify. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.